What's going on, guys? I have another unboxing for you guys. This is the Mythical Pokemon collection, the Jirachi edition. There's going to be quite a few of these on this channel, so stay tuned. So let's get right into it. As you can see, it's a promo foil of Jirachi with his pin. 2 generation packs. Can't wait to see what's on those. So let's start. Let's get it open. Alright, so we get this little pamphlet that has the different Pokemon, the Mythical Pokemon collections. I'll be getting quite a few. Here's a picture of all of them together. This is nice. I'm gonna definitely keep this, put it up. Alright, so we got here the promo foil of Jirachi with the only one online code. Hopefully the packs have them. Here's the promo. Nice card. Definitely getting a sleeve. So let's start off with the, oh yeah, little Jirachi pin. Pretty dope for my cap. Alright, so here's the Generations pack. I'm going to go ahead and start off with Ivysaur since I love Charizard. We'll leave him for last. Hope you all enjoy this music also. It's what I like to listen to. Alright, so let's see what we got. Alright, we got a Snorunt, Clefable, Machoke, a Krabby, Machop, Leaf Energy, a Geodude, a Crushing Hammer foil, nice hollow reverse, I think. Not sure, let me know. Can't really tell the difference. Nice. We got a foil Dedenne. This artwork looks awesome. So original. And we've got a Blastoise EX, guys. This makes the pack worth it. Really digging this one. Alright, let's get straight into this Charizard. That Ivysaur was pretty, I mean that Venusaur was pretty good. We don't get online codes in the pack, that sucks, but oh well. Hopefully we get some good stuff on it. Alright, so let's start it off. We got Esper, the Pokemon Center lady, a Cloyster, Zubat, Magmar, sorry, Diglett, Fighting Energy, a foil uncommon Rhyhorn, a Frostlass, I don't know how to say that, and we got a rare Hitmonlee. Alright, 1EX, I guess it's pretty good, guys, can't complain. So, put these over here. These were the highlights of the pack. Foil Rhyhorn, Frostlass, Blastoise EX. This one's dope. A Dedenne, however you say that. Nice artwork. A Crushing Hammer, hollow, and the promo foil Jirachi, full art. Alright guys, hope you all like this unboxing. Stay tuned for more. I will have the Darkrai and more unboxings. I'll also have some videos of some Pokemon cards that I pick up from local people. If y'all want to see that, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Have a good day, guys.